Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about the how to change the views like top view, front view, side view like this. So first one is a ISO, means 3D view. So it shows the 3D view like X, Y, Z directions. It is a 3D view. And next one, it is the top view. It shows only top of the diagram or top of the model. And next one is the front view. It shows only front of the model. And this one is the right view. Suppose if we want to change the back, go to select the back view. This is the left view. So which view you want, select that view. ISO, top, front, right, back, left. This is for the views in Google Sketchup. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.